Is the future of blockchain technology in the second layer solutions? Let's dive in and explore. Layer 2 blockchains are the talk of the crypto town, and for good reason. As the crypto world expands, so does the need for scalability. And that's where Layer 2 solutions come in. Layer 1 blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum are the foundation, the bedrock if you will. They have their limitations. They can only process a limited number of transactions per second, which, as you can imagine, is a problem when we are talking about global adoption. Enter Layer 2 solutions. They work on top of Layer 1, taking some of the workload off the main chain, increasing capacity and speed, all while maintaining security. It's like adding extra lanes to a congested highway. This year, the crypto landscape could be reshaped by these Layer 2 solutions. Now let's count down the top 5 Layer 2 blockchains set to explode in 2024. At number 5, we have the Lightning Network, a marvel of technological advancement that's revolutionizing the crypto world. The Lightning Network is a Layer 2 solution designed to provide instant payments, high scalability, and low transaction costs. Imagine wanting to send Bitcoin to someone and it happening almost instantly, without having to wait for the usual 10 minutes or so for network confirmation. That's what the Lightning Network brings to the table. It's like the express lane at the grocery store, allowing for faster, more efficient transactions. The beauty of the Lightning Network doesn't stop at speed. It also scales, meaning it can handle an increasing number of transactions as the Bitcoin network grows. And perhaps most importantly, it does all this at a lower cost. It's like getting a first-class ticket for the price of economy. The Lightning Network, providing a lightning-fast solution for Bitcoin transactions. Coming in at number 4, we have Plasma. This Layer 2 solution is a unique beast that brings a lot to the table. The core aspect that sets Plasma apart is its ability to handle smart contracts. This means that complex operations and transactions can be conducted off the Ethereum mainnet, lightening the overall load. But how does it achieve this? Here's where it gets interesting. Plasma utilizes a concept known as MapReduce functions. Without getting too technical, these functions allow for data processing and transactions to be distributed and managed in a way that's both efficient and secure. Now, why is this important? Well, Ethereum, as revolutionary as it is, has been known to suffer from congestion issues. Plasma addresses this by reducing the load on the Ethereum network, effectively making it more scalable and faster. So there you have it. Plasma, an ingenious solution reducing the load on Ethereum. Taking the third spot, we have zkRollups. This Layer 2 solution is another fascinating development in the blockchain sphere. It's designed to scale Ethereum by bundling multiple transfers into a single transaction. Imagine being able to process hundreds, even thousands of transactions, all at once without clogging up the network. That's the power of zkRollups. But it doesn't stop there. zkRollups also provides security benefits. They operate under the same level of security as the Ethereum mainnet, making them a robust choice for transactions. And the cherry on top? They significantly reduce gas fees on Ethereum. We all know how frustrating those high gas fees can be. With zkRollups, those fees are kept to a minimum, making transactions more affordable. So, if you're looking for a Layer 2 solution that offers scalability, security, and affordability, look no further. zkRollups, a promising solution for reducing gas fees on Ethereum. At the second spot, we have Polygon. Polygon, formerly known as Matic Network, has made significant strides in the blockchain space. It's not just another Layer 2 solution, it's a whole ecosystem designed to bring about mass adoption of blockchain technology. One of the standout features of Polygon is its flexibility. It can accommodate any blockchain, not just Ethereum, and it supports two major Ethereum scaling solutions, Plasma and zkRollups. This shows the adaptability of Polygon, ensuring it remains relevant in the rapidly evolving blockchain landscape. Security is another key aspect of Polygon. It uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, a more energy-efficient alternative to proof-of-work, which also reduces the risk of attacks. Interoperability is the icing on the cake. Polygon aims to create a borderless world where any blockchain can communicate with another, making it a vital player in the blockchain ecosystem. Polygon, a multi-chain solution for mass adoption of blockchain. And finally, at number 1, we have Optimism. This Layer 2 solution is making waves within the world of blockchains, boasting unique features that are transforming the way we interact with Ethereum. Optimism's primary function is to accelerate transaction speeds and dramatically reduce fees on Ethereum, optimizing user experience in a way that's both efficient and cost-effective. What sets Optimism apart is its unwavering commitment to scalability without compromising on security. It ingeniously uses a technique called optimistic rollups, which bundle multiple transactions into a single batch, drastically increasing Ethereum's capacity to process transactions. With Optimism, we are looking at a future where Ethereum's scalability issues are a thing of the past. It's creating a pathway for Ethereum to handle a volume of transactions that was previously unimaginable, opening up a world of possibilities for developers and users alike. Optimism, optimistically making Ethereum scalable. And there you have it, the top 5 Layer 2 blockchains set to explode in 2024. The Lightning Network, with its impressive speed and low fees, is changing the face of Bitcoin transactions. Plasma, on the other hand, is bringing scalability to Ethereum, enabling it to support more complex applications. Then we have zkRollups, a privacy-focused Layer 2 solution offering both scalability and security. Polygon is catching eyes with its multi-chain system, enabling interoperability between different blockchains. And last but not least, Optimism is living up to its name, bringing optimism to Ethereum users with its promise of faster and cheaper transactions. These Layer 2 solutions are not just about improving transaction speed and reducing fees. They're about unlocking the full potential of blockchain technology, enabling it to scale and support a wide range of applications that can revolutionize various industries. If you found this video informative, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below on which Layer 2 blockchain you're most excited about. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of blockchain.